everyone, let's start by applying the foundation all over the face and neck. And then I'm gonna use a damp sponge to create a glowy base on the skin. Next, I'm going to cover the circles beneath my eyes with a cream concealer. Moving on to the brows, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with a medium brown eyebrow powder. Start from lining the bottom part and then make it a little bit curved. For this look, I'm gonna make the eyebrow shape slightly thinner. Now I'm going to contour my nose. Start by applying a top brown shadow onto the side of my nose, and then I'm gonna blend it evenly. Next, I'm going to shade my jawline, temples, and the forehead with a darker shading powder. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to apply a medium matte brownish orange color all over the eyelid. And then I'm going to apply a shimmery dark yellow color onto the upper and lower lid. And I'm going to blend the eyeshadow slightly upwards at the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply a light orange shadow onto my upper lid to give more color to the eyes. And then bring it to the outer half of my lower lid a little bit. Next, I'm going to mix these two brown colors and apply it onto my lid near the upper lash line using a flat eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to use dark brown eyeshadow to line my upper lash line. Make sure to draw the line thin and make it as close as possible to the upper lash line. Next, I'm going to apply a medium brown eyeshadow onto the other corner of my lower lid and then use it to line my waterline as well. It's a little bit hard to reach this part, so make sure to use a really small brush to apply it. And then apply the falsies. Next, I'm going to apply a glittery eyeliner onto the other corner of my eyes beneath the tail to give an accent to their makeup. Next, I'm going to apply glittery light pink eyeshadow onto my upper lid by using my finger to make it stick onto the eyelid easier. Next, apply mascara onto the lower lashes. Just apply one coat to make it look natural. And then I'm going to apply a shimmery brownish orange blusher onto my cheeks. I'm gonna start applying from the center of my face and then swipe it upwards towards the temples. And then use a sponge to dab a little bit of the reddish orange blusher on top of it and blend it out evenly. Next, I'm going to give a little bit more of glowy finish onto my face by applying highlighter onto the center figures on my face. And then I'm going to make a fake freckles by using a medium brown shadow. I'm just gonna draw it a little bit around the nose like this. And then for the lips, I'm going to fill in my lips with a dark orange lip tint and then blend it out by using a Q-tip. After that, I'm going to apply a plum color a little bit onto the inner part of my lips. And the makeup is done! So yeah, this is my favorite look for this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this makeup look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!